artist Nathan Sawaya has built a successful career on Lego, but his is anything but child's play. Indeed, using hundreds of thousands of tiny coloured bricks, the sculptor has created the biggest Lego display in the world. The exhibition in New York is called Art of the Brick and has more than 100 different sculptures on show.
It makes the art accessible so that kids and families see the art. They can relate to it because we've all played with Lego bricks at some point in our lives.
And visitors wander the gallery under the watchful eye of the artist himself, with this imposing self-portrait called Face Mask. And if you were wondering, it's made of 10,770 bricks. The exhibition also features a 20-foot T-Rex dinosaur skeleton made of 80,020 bricks. But Sawaya hasn't stopped there. There are also plenty of playful interpretations of well-known paintings, among them Edward Munch's The Scream and Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring.
Well, the art is about inspiring. So what you see here is various forms of art that I've done over the years that hopefully make you think a little bit, but also hopefully you'll be inspired.
Oh, we're inspired all right. Inspired to go for a swim.
Yeah, suddenly the Lego pirate ship I had as a kid doesn't seem quite so impressive. The man's got the patience of a saint. And if you want to see more videos about Lego, check out this report on the world's largest Lego model. And if you want to see more videos about, well, large things, then we love this report on the 31-inch biceps. There's loads more to come on the channel, so make sure you hit subscribe.